Is fuel leaking from your saw? The problem could be a bad fuel cap assembly. The fuel cap is the one on the rear of the saw, where you add the fuel. The cap assembly consists of the cap itself, an O-ring to seal the cap, and a lanyard so the cap is not lost. There are a few different problems that are common with the fuel cap assembly. The O-ring will eventually wear out, crack, or break apart. This will cause fuel to leak from the cap. If the cap is over-tightened, the threads will be stressed and often will break off of the cap. The lanyard will sometimes also break off of the cap. Replacing the fuel cap assembly is a simple repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how. The fuel cap is the cap at the rear of the saw, near the rear handle. I'll go ahead and unscrew the cap from the tank. If the threads had broken off of your cap, you may need to use a pair of pliers or a screwdriver to help remove those threads from the tank. You'll notice that the fuel cap is attached to the tank with a lanyard. To remove it, I just bend the lanyard and pull it out of the tank. Now I can install the new fuel cap. I'll start by inserting the lanyard into the tank. Now I can thread the cap into the fuel tank. Here's the O-ring, and the O-ring is actually what seals the tank, so the cap doesn't need to be all that tight. Just enough to get a good seal on the O-ring.